Are you tired of shaky and blurry videos? Introducing the hohem iSteady Mobile Plus Gimbal Stabilizer for smartphones. This upgraded stabilizer features the iSteady 6.0 anti-shake technology, ensuring incredibly stable and smooth shots. Say goodbye to shaky pictures and hello to professional quality videos. But that's not all. With the hohem Joy app, filming has never been easier. Control your filming tool directly from your phone and enjoy features like face, object tracking, beauty touch-up, and pan mode switching. The app also offers exciting modes like Inception, Fantastic Rotation, and Clone Me, giving you endless creative possibilities with just one click. One of the standout features of this gimbal stabilizer is the 3D Fantasy Auto Rotation mode. With a 600 degrees wide rotation range, it allows you to capture shots from any angle. The Inception mode adds an extra touch of pizzazz to your videos, giving you that master-like experience. Whether you're a professional director or a passionate storyteller, this gimbal stabilizer is the ultimate production tool. It features basic zoom, focus control, pan and tilt tracking, locking modes, and even a 3 1/4 screw hole for accessories like tripods or video lights. It's time to take your videos to the next level. Don't let extreme activities hold you back. The updated Sport mode ensures incredibly smooth shots even during high-intensity movements. Running up stairs, cycling outdoors, or traveling over rough terrain, this gimbal has got you covered. Its 3-axis variable speed adaptation is extremely sensitive to hand movements, transforming shaky footage into mesmerizingly smooth videos. With up to 13 hours of battery life, this gimbal stabilizer is perfect for long shooting sessions outdoors. And if your phone runs out of power, don't worry. You can use the gimbal as a power bank to charge it. Universal compatibility is another highlight of this product. It is compatible with various iPhone and Samsung models, as well as Huawei smartphones. Please check compatibility before purchasing. Don't compromise on the quality of your videos. Get the hohem iSteady Mobile Plus Gimbal Stabilizer and unleash your creativity.